next on the back. It's just the address, and you can check off the academy you want to enroll in, and then you can send it back. I need it back tomorrow.
Hi, I am Mike Picatello, and I am doing an explanation on Diary of Wimpy Kid Cabin Fever. You are really going to like it because it is funny. This book is an example of satirical humor. I would describe the main character in this book Wimpy because he is a very lonely kid with nothing in mind. I liked Greg Heffley because he is hilarious at everything. As I read, I found myself thinking that Greg Heffley reacts to the things he does. The author did a magnificent job on making this book a diary and drawing the images. This book made me think about laughing because Greg gets so hysterical that it wants me to watch him. One of my favorite lines in the book is, "Please be with you, he he he." I can't wait if a sequel comes out because it might be funnier. If I had one suggestion of the author, it could be a little more funnier. Every time I finish reading a book, it makes me want to laugh. The author, Jeff Kinney, not only makes the Diary of Wimpy Kid series, but is also the New York Times bestselling author and also created the Funbrain and Poptropica websites. And that's the author. And this was my book. See you next time.